St. Mary residents surprised by lockdown but agree with the measure. JGTV, your choice for Jamaican entertainment. Bang, 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 connect! Hundreds of residents in St. Mary's Southeastern got an unpleasant surprise when they awoke yesterday to find scores of security forces in their communities. In addition, 58-year-old Elaine Brown, a grandmother of 5 from Dover, had got up to buy flour to prepare breakfast for her grandchildren, son, and daughter when she was met with the news that the Ministry of Health and Wellness had imposed a 14-day quarantine on several areas, among them in the coastal town of Anatobe, Itabaral, Junopen in Enfield, and Epsom in Dover. The restrictions, the ministry said, are to limit the community transmission, and investigations show that there is a considerable movement of affected people, which has increased the risk of exposure to all communities. A total of 13 people tested positive in their communities and 16 overall in the parish. Yeah, so I understand that pre-there. I just wake up this morning for hear say is a lockdown. We don't even get to buy anything. The children them hungry, she said, but the shops were closed. Dinner time I come now when I have nothing. Them should have tell we before the lockdown that way we couldn't get up things. I don't know how I'm going to feed them. I call my daughter from Kingston because she's a police and tell her she maybe have to go buy some food bring come. If not, I have one banana and I eat me have to go sprinkle a little salt and I give them to eat, the woman said, who works on a pepper farm in a neighboring community. I asked the soldier if I can go to my business place for some food, but him say I have to turn back and stay in. So I have to stay in. Them say we have to wait until the Prime Minister tell us we can go buy food. So them have to do something about it because we are dead for hungry, he said. So people basically what go on is them locked down the parish because I want a little funeral to go on. You see what I said? Them tell the people them say not more than 10 people at a funeral, and the funeral they keep what they are way more than 10 people they did there. So that caused the lockdown of the community. You see what I say? So let me know what you're thinking in the comments about this. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new. I'm out.